Hey there, fellow wanderers and work enthusiasts. I'm thrilled to dive into the exciting world of digital nomadism with you today. As someone who's been living this lifestyle for years, I can tell you it's a game changer. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing on a Balinese beach or sipping coffee in a quaint Lisbon cafe while answering emails. That's the essence of being a digital nomad, combining work and travel in a way that was unimaginable just a few years ago. In this video, we'll explore the best places for digital nomads, how to make money online, and the essentials you need to know to start this incredible journey. Whether you're a seasoned nomad or just curious about this lifestyle, I've got you covered. So let's hit the road and explore the world of work and travel. First, let's discuss the benefits of the digital nomad lifestyle. Before we dive into the specifics, let's talk about why this lifestyle is so appealing. As a digital nomad, I've experienced firsthand the incredible flexibility it offers. I can set my own hours, work from a beach, a mountain retreat, or a bustling city cafe. The world is literally my office. But it's not just about the freedom to work from anywhere. Living in different countries has allowed me to immerse myself in diverse cultures, try new cuisines, and make friends from all corners of the globe. This constant exposure to new experiences has expanded my worldview and fueled my personal growth in ways I never expected. So let's start by talking about the essential skills for digital nomads. There are some crucial skills you need to develop. First and foremost is self-discipline. When you're surrounded by the temptations of a new city or a beautiful beach, it can be challenging to sit down and get work done. Trust me, I've been there. Adaptability is another key skill. You'll encounter unexpected challenges, from unreliable internet to language barriers, and you'll need to think on your feet to solve these challenges. And let's not forget about communication. Being able to clearly articulate your ideas and collaborate effectively with remote teams is essential in this lifestyle. So now let's explore the top destinations for digital nomads. This is the exciting part, the best places to live and work as a digital nomad. I have traveled to countless destinations, but these are 4 spots that stand out as true digital nomad havens. The first stop, Bali, Indonesia. Picture yourself working from a laptop while overlooking lush rice terraces or taking a surf break between client calls. That's the reality in Bali. This Indonesian island has become a mecca for digital nomads, and it's easy to see why. The cost of living here is incredibly affordable. You can rent a beautiful villa, eat out regularly, and enjoy a high quality of life for a fraction of what you spend in most Western countries. The expat community is vibrant and welcoming, making it easy to connect with like-minded individuals. But what really sets Bali apart is its infrastructure for remote workers. You'll find plenty of co-working spaces with lightning-fast internet, especially in areas like Canggu and Ubud. And after work, well, paradise awaits. Our next destination, welcome to Chiang Mai, Thailand. Chiang Mai is a city that's practically synonymous with digital nomadism. This northern Thai city has been attracting remote workers for years, and for good reason. The cost of living here is even lower than Bali, but you don't sacrifice on quality. The city boasts modern amenities, excellent health care, and a thriving food scene. The digital nomad community here is well established, with numerous networking events and meetups happening regularly. What I love most about Chiang Mai is the perfect balance it strikes between city life and nature. You can spend your mornings working in a sleek co-working space, then head out to explore ancient temples or go on a jungle trek in the afternoon. And now our third destination, the beautiful city of Lisbon, Portugal. If you're looking for a European base, look no further than Lisbon. This charming city has been making waves in the digital nomad community thanks to its growing tech scene and startup ecosystem. While it's pricier than our Asian options, Lisbon still offers an affordable European lifestyle. The quality of life here is outstanding. Think beautiful weather, stunning architecture, and some of the friendliest locals you'll ever meet. What sets Lisbon apart is its perfect location. You're in the heart of Europe, with easy access to other major cities. And when you need a break, some of Europe's most beautiful beaches are just a short drive away. And now our fourth destination, Medellin, Colombia. Last but certainly not least is Medellin, a city that's undergone a remarkable transformation to become a digital nomad hotspot. Medellin is known as the City of Eternal Spring for its year-round pleasant climate, and it offers a unique blend of urban living and natural beauty. The cost of living here is incredibly reasonable, allowing you to enjoy a high standard of life without breaking the bank. The city's digital infrastructure is impressive, with reliable internet and modern co-working spaces. What I adore most about Medellin is its vibrant culture and the warmth of its people. From salsa dancing to exploring the city's innovative public spaces, there's always something exciting happening here. So now let's discuss making money online as a digital nomad. Now that we've covered where to go, let's talk about how to fund this lifestyle. There are numerous ways to make money online, and I've tried quite a few of them myself. Here are some of the most popular options. Let's start with freelancing opportunities. Freelancing is often the gateway into the digital nomad lifestyle, and it's how I got my start. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to begin, offering opportunities in everything from web development to content writing and graphic design. The key to success in freelancing is building a strong portfolio and cultivating positive client relationships. It takes time and effort, but once you establish yourself, you can create a steady income stream that you can take anywhere in the world. So let's look at some remote job opportunities. If you prefer more stability, many companies are now hiring remote workers. Job boards like We Work Remotely and Remote.co specialize in these opportunities. I've had friends find fantastic positions in fields ranging from marketing to software development. The benefit of remote jobs is the steady income and potential for career growth. Plus, you often get perks like health insurance, which can be a game changer for long-term travelers. Online entrepreneurship. For those with an entrepreneurial spirit, the internet offers endless possibilities. E-commerce is huge, with platforms like Shopify making it easier than ever to set up an online store. I know digital nomads who have built successful businesses selling everything from handcrafted jewelry to drop-shipped products. Creating and selling digital products is another great option. This could be anything from ebooks to online courses. And let's not forget about content creation. starting a blog or YouTube channel can lead to passive income through ads and sponsorships. It's how I'm able to share these experiences with you right now. And now for some practical tips for becoming a digital nomad. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of making this lifestyle work. It's not all beaches and laptops. There are some important practical considerations to keep in mind. First, financial planning. First things first, you need a solid financial foundation. Before I set off on my nomadic journey, I made sure to build up an emergency fund. Trust me, having this safety net will give you peace of mind as you navigate this new lifestyle. Managing finances across different currencies can be tricky. I recommend using a travel-friendly bank account and credit card to avoid excessive fees. Apps like Trail Wallet or YNAB can help you track expenses and stick to a budget. Now for the less exciting but crucial part, legal and tax obligations. Each country has different visa requirements, so do your research before you travel. Some places offer specific visas for digital nomads, which can be a great option for longer stays. We have videos on our channel that specifically discuss countries in which you can work remotely as a digital nomad without the requirement of first obtaining a work visa, as well as countries that have digital nomad visas. You should be sure to take a look at some of those videos for more in-depth discussions on those topics. Back on the topic of taxes, taxes can get complicated when you're working across borders. It's important to understand your tax obligations both in your home country and where you're staying. I highly recommend consulting with a tax professional who understands the unique situations of digital nomads. It might seem like an unnecessary expense, but it can save you a lot of headaches and potentially money in the long run. And now let's discuss work-life balance. Maintaining a healthy work-life balance can be challenging when you're surrounded by new and exciting experiences. I have learned the hard way that it's crucial to establish a routine and create a dedicated workspace, even if that's just a corner of your Airbnb. Loneliness can also be an issue for some digital nomads. So it's always helpful to make an effort to connect with other travelers and locals. Join digital nomad Facebook groups, attend local events, or try co-living spaces. There are also expat networking groups and functions both online and in person. You should definitely check those out. Some of my closest friendships have been formed on the road. And there you have it, folks, your guide to the exciting world of digital nomadism. We've covered the top destinations from the tropical paradise of Bali to the vibrant streets of Medellin. We've explored various ways to make money online, whether through freelancing, remote jobs, or entrepreneurship. And we have delved into the practical aspects of this lifestyle, from financial planning to maintaining work-life balance. And remember, becoming a digital nomad is not just about changing your location, it's about embracing a new way of life. It comes with its challenges, but the rewards are immeasurable. The experiences you will have, the people you will meet, and the personal growth you will undergo are truly priceless. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts? Are you already living the digital nomad lifestyle? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. If you're aspiring to this lifestyle, what's holding you back? Let's start a conversation. Share this video with your friends who may be considering relocating abroad while working online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel for more content on travel, remote work, and living life on your own terms. Remember, the world is waiting for you. So pack your laptop, open your mind, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. If you liked this video, you will love our videos on work visa free in these amazing countries and moving abroad with zero savings is easier than you think. Until next time, happy travels and happy working. See you in our next video.